I learned about the events management program at Iowa State and I thought, why don't I try going in, and I think I'd like to do weddings. And then I got here and realized there's such a broader events industry and that weddings is just one sector of it. And I'm now more so looking into the club management and corporate side of that. It's a really welcoming program. The professors and anyone in the industry is willing to help and is very welcoming and encouraging of your journey. I really do love the industry. I can't see myself anywhere else. The Recipe is a culinary event center, and we offer multiple different experiences. We do a lot of public cooking classes and private events, corporate team building. A lot of people come in with different ideas, and it's my job to tell them what we can do with that and what services we have that can best fit. Working on invoicing, contracts, budgets, and all the scheduling, planning, and then seeing the event through. And often I'm working the event as well, which is really satisfying to be there from the start to the absolute finish when you're closing out at the end of the day. It's a fun job. I really like seeing the whole process. The professors that I've had have given me a lot of good perspective on the industry. I use that in a lot of my judgment calls that I make at the Recipe. I think about things that my teachers have talked about in class, and then that's given me more confidence to take on this role, especially as I'm still a student. I haven't even graduated yet, and I have an events coordinator position. That perspective has been really helpful. The events industry, especially the club management industry, is full of people that want to help you. Being at Iowa State has really given me the confidence to reach out to professionals and not only network, but ask them questions about anything that I think that would help me make a decision about my future.